What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the sound test of the SLP slip-on exhaust on the 2017 Polaris Ace 900XE. With the stock ECU tuning. This is the stock tuning. So that's the stock tuning. Now I'm going to do the RVS Stage 3 tuning. That has the aftermarket slip-on exhaust with a modified intake. Alright, now I got it in Stage 3, the RVS Stage 3 tuning. Like I said, the Stage 3 tuning is for slip-on exhaust with a modified intake. That's what I got. That's what it has on the Ace. It's got a modified intake with an aftermarket exhaust, slip-on exhaust. So let's hear it. As you can see, you see me driving back. You see the stage 3. The stage 3 tuning's got a lot of torque. That's why I run the stock tuning, because for me trail riding, that's kind of too much. I guess you guys seen the roots are flying everywhere, so you see me, I was doing, for the first test for the stock tuning, I do 4-wheel drive pull. Now I come back in 2-wheel drive and high. Both of them are in high range, doing the pull. Then starts the stage 3 tuning, high 4-wheel drive pull, and come back and did the 2-wheel drive and high pull. So I don't know what's the difference in the tuning. I guess more performance of the ECU. So yeah, I really like to try out the stage 2 tuning from RVS Performance. Right now, I really don't like the stage 3 tuning. Now, if you guys comment what kind of clutches are you running and weights, I'm running the stock clutch springs and the primary and secondary clutch, or the primary and secondary. I'm using the stock clutches, springs, and the stock weights. When I bought it, it came with the aftermarket springs in it and weights. So yeah. Leave you guys comments. What do you guys think about the SLP slip-on exhaust? Should I keep it or go buy a HMF exhaust? Big Gun don't make any exhaust, but I can find some. So yeah, what you guys think about the SLP exhaust? Leave your comments below, and thanks for watching.